So Amazon's been pretty busy this year so far. Earlier in the year, they actually launched the Amazon Echo Show 10. It's on its third generation, and it saw a substantial update to the previous version just because it had that cool rotating display, that built-in camera, so a lot of bells and whistles. And then last month, I checked out the Amazon Echo Show 8, which is actually the second generation version, or 2021 edition, whatever you want to call it. And that also saw some minor updates. So finally, Amazon decided to release a proper update to its smallest smart display, the Amazon Echo Show 5. It's still compact, tiny, great for smaller, tighter spaces. But in this review, I'm going to talk about what's new, what's different, and whether or not you should get it. Two things. Number one, make sure to like this video if you find it informative. Number two, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get all our latest content. I want to ask you guys, how long should manufacturers wait to upgrade their smart displays? This one took about 2 years for Amazon. Is that enough, or should it be longer? Let me know what you think down in the comments below. The most noteworthy thing about the Echo Show 5 here is that it acts as a security camera of sorts. That's because it has a brand new 2 megapixel camera up front, and that's up from the 1 megapixel camera from the original model. However, it lacks the pan and tilt function that we've seen in other recent Echo shows, so it's just an ordinary front-facing camera. It won't do it digitally like on the Amazon Echo Show 8 2nd gen, and it won't track you or follow you around the room like you get on the Echo Show 10 3rd gen. However, as a security camera, it's pretty bare bones as far as what it does, because you won't get things like motion detection or be able to save videos for you to watch later on. The only thing you can do here is just access the camera through the Alexa app. So in that way, I guess you have peace of mind, but it's not as comprehensive as a traditional security camera. Now, looking at it for the very first time, there's no apparent change with the design of the Echo Show 5. It still has the same compact design as before. The same thing about its display. It's a 5.5-inch 960 by 480 panel. It's kind of tough to read out fine text, but it's decent for most other things. Considering its compact size, the Echo Show 5 actually puts out decent audio. The speakers are nice and robust. It has a lot of bass to it, but I gotta tell you, don't push it past 50% volume, because at louder volumes, it tends to sound a little bit on the shrill side. Beyond that, the only other thing different about the design here is that it has a brand new color option. You have deep sea blue here that you can see. Now, this color scheme might not be for everyone because it might be tougher to match your decor, but the option is there for you. Still, the compact size I like because it's better for smaller, tighter spaces like your nightstand table or a coffee table, so it doesn't look too overwhelming. So if you're a diehard Amazon user, the Echo Show 5 obviously caters to the entire Amazon ecosystem. You have Amazon Shopping for all your shopping needs. You have also Amazon Prime Music to listen to your tunes. And then you also have Amazon Prime Video to watch movies and TV shows. And just like any other Echo Show smart display, you have some smart home controls at your disposal. It's convenient, I think, because instead of telling Alexa to do it, you could just have all those controls in one spot for you to access. Although I did find that its performance can be just a little bit on the sluggish side at times, especially if you're doing multiple things. In one scenario, I was playing some music and I was trying to navigate through the UI, and I just found it not as responsive I'd like. Now, it could be either due to an unresponsive display or just a slower processor, but it's hard to say. Luckily, the starting price of the Amazon Echo Show 5 is actually less than the original because it's only $85. That's down $90 from the original. It's really tough to like because functionally, there's no major difference. If you take the Echo Show 5, the original one, and this, the only thing I'm gaining here is being able to access that camera through the Alexa app to act like a security camera. Besides that, it's functionally identical. Funny enough, I still think you're better off paying more for this, unless there's a substantial discount to the original. I'm checking out Amazon right now, and the original one is selling for $80. The new one sells for $85, so for $5 difference, definitely go with the newer one. And that is it for this video, guys. If you want to learn more about any of the stuff I talked about in this video, or more about the Amazon Echo Show 5, make sure to check out our website, digitaltrends.com. I'm John V, and I'll see you in my next video.